Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, what's on coming in the building? Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
brand new banger.
Why you do it, John Croft?
But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. So peeps, WAP, this big song from Cardi B feature and Megan Stallion, right? Hopefully I pronounce it right, God. But anyway, it create a one bag of havoc on the internet. WAP. Pretty much WAP stand for wet ass the woman private part. Me not gonna say it. Right? Alright, so today now, after I don't create one bag of hysteria people, today Vibes Cartel drop a free fix to it, and that is epic. Alright, but then if you go look on that on the internet, me no want to review that, but when me come for review right now, alright, me no normally do this. When me I go do a reaction video to right now, apparently the legendary Ishawna has dropped a WAP ReFix right now. Me don't normally do them thing, yeah? But anyway, peeps. Lord God, my ears. What gonna do? A reaction to this and see what I go on, you know.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out gate. Pink tongue pan a big black cock. Down in my throat, massage my vice box. Box smooth, your cocky on my jaw. Walk.
Yo, voila! Voila! What? Yo!
Why you do it, John Croft?
Yo! You hear what the woman say a while ago? Oh, hell no! Hold on. Make we go from... What take that one there from top? Hold on. No, some ears. Hold on. Make we go again. No, me never hear that properly. Hold on. Me never hear that properly. Ready? Alright.
7 days a week.
Alright.
Wet ass pussy.
Oh, wow.
Make that pull out gate.
Wow.
Pink tongue pan a big black cock.
Okay.
Down in my throat, massage my vice box. Box smooth, your cocky on my jaw. Walk.
Wow.
Jamaican bad girl enter the trap. Me love sit down pan a bad man face when him tongue in my hole and gun in my waist. But Jamaican bad man have a
You hear what the woman say? She loves sit down on a bad man face when him have him gun in him waist. Anyway, make we continue.
shy face and me no want catch a bus face. What? 3 wet pussy is better than 1. Me Cardi suck me and Megan suck a John when.
Bitch, what?
You hear what the woman say? 3 better than 1. Cardi name she. And Megan name of the man John. Wow. Make you continue now.
Pussy that sport is like one of them. Leave a boy rank like one. What? From me say freak, call me name, me nana shame. Me coulda never complain, boy money have to fall like rain. That's why me always fly like plane. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard.
Wow.
Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride, I do a giggle.
Wow.
No, 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 no.
I'm gonna listen this one more time, straight run through, and then me give me feedback more in detail on this. Yeah, my ears them. Ready again. Wow.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game weak. Pink tongue pan a big black cock. Down in my throat, massage my vice box smooth, cock it on my jaw. Wop wop. Jamaican bad girl enter the chat. Me love sit down pan a bad man face when him tongue in my hole and gun in my ears. So Jamaican bad man have a shy face and me no want catch a bus face.
Wow.
3 wet pussy is better than 1. Me Cardi fuck me and me guns suck a John when pussy starts squirt is like more. Leave a boy ring like rum. Wop. From me say freaky, call me name, me nah shame. Me coulda never complain, boy money have to fall like rain. That's why me always fly like plane. Pick it up, nigga, catch it.
Wow. My friend say, wow, make she squirt like Mona Dam. Sit down, pa. Wow. My sanctified ears. I guess I need to be professional about this. Wow. She go hard still. As a producer myself and somebody will do music, she a chop with the lyrics them still. You know what I mean? She go hard still. She says some. You hear what the woman say? She better than 1. Cardi and she and Megan as a nigga.
Oh!
Me I get too old for this dark. Me can't. No sir, me can't do this. Me can't do that review, yeah. Yeah, he's a 80s man still. Each his own, man. Me not judge nobody. You know what I mean? No enough people are gonna like that song still. You know what I mean? Wow. I mean, it hard. She go hard in that one, yeah. Me can't even. She go hard, dog. Bones do man say box her with the sausage and should be not. No, sir. No. I'm sorry, guys. I know my cup of tea this, alright? That's why I'm not do music review, but because people want me to review it and react to it, I'm doing it. Okay? In here start get hot. Me feel pressure, dog. No, sir. Anyway, peeps. That's the song. WAP ReFix. Apparently that's Ishawna's verse on it. Make a chat in the comment. I wanna tell me what you think about it. And I mean, everybody cup of tea different. And I mean, 10 brother, 10 different headspace. And I mean, me, I'm too old for this. That's not my type of thing. You know what I mean? So, yeah, me I tell them that straight. And not my type of thing. That's it. Big up the artists, them. Big up Cardi will do the ReFix. Big up Megan Stallion. Big up Cardi B. Big up Ishawna. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Doing the thing still, you know? But anyway, peeps, thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself. I sang your chang like a big shot of vodka. White rum. But anyway, peeps, make a chat in the comment section. That one is rough. Journey with your boy, and thank you very much for watching here. I'm worried. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.